Hey, what's going on, peeps? It's Brian. We're back in the garage shop, whatever you want to call it there. And today we're just going to, I guess, tackle these last couple shelves. So you're going to see me going through there, pulling all the stuff down, trying to get it organized. It looks like a lot, but it's really not that bad. It's a lot of just electrical connections and wires and cables and more extension cords than we'll ever use in our lives. But yeah, so we're going to throw you guys on a time lapse, and you'll get to see me organizing some shelves.
Welcome back, guys. So it's my turn. Brian just tagged me in. So we got to where he was. Now it's time to see if we can finish this. Oh man, we got to get this stuff down, and that far shelf over there, get everything off of that and shift that over here. That's what I'm trying to get done. Yeah. Oh boy. Time to get to work, people. Welcome back, people. It's another day. I kind of ran out of battery. I forgot to charge both the batteries, and I actually ran out of time for the last session. So we're back to, we just have a half a shelf? Yeah, we'll call it half a shelf. We'll get that cleared off, and then the fun stuff is I got to clear out that shelf all the way over there. Here, I'll show you as I navigate this maze that is my shop. But yes, so then I got to clear this one off, which shouldn't be too bad, honestly. And then I have to disassemble it and bring it over there through all of this mess. Yeah, I may have to start putting stuff outside. All right, stay tuned. Welcome back. So as you see, I got the shelves cleared out and one of them broken down in half. But this isn't coming off the wall at all. I will say, he is thorough. This is concrete anchored to the wall. Right there. So, that's on both sides. I only saw two, those two right there. And I didn't see any on this one. But these are bolted together, so. And as you see, kind of out of place to disassemble these. So what I want to do, I want to get these off the wall, kind of clear out a space right here. Yeah, and move it off and move this there so I can get that shelf cleared out over there, put here. Then I can start putting stuff on shelving to get floor space back. That's the plan. There's an old saying, it gotta get worse before it gets better. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in worse. Oh boy. Alright, stay tuned. I'm gonna go figure out how I'm gonna cut this off the wall. Welcome back, guys. Brian's back too.
What's going on, peeps?
Yeah, it's been multiple days.
Something like that.
They still haven't taken themselves down.
Yeah, we gave them a chance. You know, we sang them some soothing music, turn the lights on and off for them. They're stuck in their ways. Literally stuck in their ways.
He's not joking on that stuck part. So we got a drill over there, and we're gonna drill this out. And we're gonna get this done. All right, back to work, Brian.
Give them 5 more minutes. Maybe they'll be afraid because the drill's here now. They'll know we're serious. Probably not.
Oh boy. Yeah, we're gonna take a 5-er and then back to work. Welcome back, people. Brian.
What's going on, peeps?
So, we actually have floor space again, somewhat. You can almost fit a car in that space, can't you?
Yeah, except for all the stuff we have to move to fit your car back in here.
We're not talking about that. That doesn't exist. You don't see that right now. All right, so this is kind of what the plan, what we kind of came up with, and we didn't really tell you guys. But all that electrical stuff right here. So all the motors, bottom shelf and on the floor. All other random type of stuff right here and up here, and cords on the top. So if any of you guys are in the Tampa area or electricians or friends with electricians that would like some or all, please all, let me know. I'm letting this stuff go for pennies on the dollar. Trust me, you will get a great deal, and probably way more crap than you need, but you will get a great deal.
Then it can sit in your garage and not ours.
What he said. Exactly what he said. But yeah, now we need to disassemble these shelves to get them out the way. And we got to clear a path and empty that shelf behind all this crap shelf. Man, we're gonna get back to work, people. Welcome back, people. Brian,
Let's go, peeps.
how we doing?
Running out of back.
Yeah.
That happens these days. But no, as you can see, those shelves that were bolted to the wall, not bolted, riveted to the wall, are now down. And the truck's back in the garage. This giant crane thingy is back in the garage. And we've started to make a path over to these shelves that we're going to move into that spot.
Yeah.
The problem is,
Brian, he did a lot of hard work. He cleared this path right here. But when he says he ran out of back, that's solid steel. That's heavy. And my back was toast from over there. So while you saw me disassemble the shelves, Brian was in the...
yeah, trying to clean the corner out here, so.
Yeah. Which we need more lighting here.
Oh, I got that taken care of.
Oh yeah, you do got that taken care of.
There's gonna be some lights up there.
There's gonna be some lighting. Oh man. Oh boy.
So yeah, this is fresh back, Gary and Brian,
Yeah.
to move this stuff. But the good thing is we have 2 buckets full of clamps for the shelves.
I'm thinking back wall for our little idea. Back wall of a shelf. Maybe. I don't know.
Because these are all those rounded.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's cool.
We have 2 buckets of these.
We have something in the works of what we're thinking we're gonna use them for. So yeah. Oh, your recap. We got all the electrical stuff. So front to back, filled. All on that. I think we talked about that.
Except for that stuff that we have to move over there.
Yes, that stuff needs to move as well. And probably, yep, that's the 100 amp. Yeah, all of this.
Oh, unistrut thingies. Nice.
Yeah,
We have 2 boxes of those.
there's a lot of stuff that we have here. We're gonna call it for today.
Yeah.
We're gonna call it for a video. Like I think this video has spanned long enough.
Yeah, it probably has. You can edit this one and throw it on there, and then we can start the next video of us trying to disassemble that, empty that off, and disassemble that shelf so it can get moved.
Yeah, so that's probably what the next video is gonna be. That there. Oh boy. But there's more and more floor space every time, so we actually cleared up a lot. Like we can walk in. Remember, we couldn't walk in here for a little bit. That was a little nerve-wracking. I can actually walk from the. We can move that over, and I can walk from the door into the shop, to the truck, and to the vault, kind of.
Yeah,
Work in progress.
We need a little compressing of stuff, but yeah, because there's still a ton more stuff up here we need to
Get rid
of. Because I don't need boat seats or an engine cover for a Mercury outboard from the 70s.
Yeah.
Or whatever all those hoses are, security lights,
And a drive shaft.
and heaters. We're in Florida. I don't need a heater.
Yeah.
Well, those heaters throw me back to my childhood there
Yeah, no joke.
of sticking stuff inside the grates to set it on fire.
Brian, No. No. We can't leave him unsupervised. Should I have to revoke your passcode to the shop?
No, I wouldn't. I'm gonna have to turn that on. It's 90 degrees outside.
Yay, Florida. But yeah, we're gonna call that a wrap. You guys have a good one. Thank you guys. If you like this type of content, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell because you may not get the new videos if you don't. Hit that like button if you like this video and comment down below and tell us what you think. Have a good one, guys. Peace.
Take it easy, guys.